Hey everyone, welcome to Earthling Cooks. Today we're going to make a one-pan breakfast sandwich. This is super simple and comes out super tasty and quick every time. First thing we're going to do is get some butter in the pan and put down our bread. Move it around to get the butter everywhere. And we just want to toast our bread a little bit. I like to have the bread slightly toasted. So we're just going to let them cook on this side for a little bit. Then we'll flip them. Okay, after just a few seconds really, we've got nice color there. So I'm going to pick them up. Put some more butter down. And now put them on the opposite side. Just want them a little toasted and a little butter flavor in there. Just another like 10-15 seconds and we should be good. All right, let's check it. Looking perfect. Let's go ahead and take our bread out. And now what we're going to do is throw in a little bit more butter. Always want butter. It's tasty and it also just helps everything cook good. And we'll throw in our eggs. Now we're going to want to cook this on a fairly low heat. You don't want to just burn the eggs on the bottom. Right now you can go ahead and throw in some salt and pepper. And then we're going to go ahead and cover this just for about 30 seconds. Now when it's starting to get cooked, we're going to go ahead and throw our bread in. As you can still see, still got liquid in there. And we're going to cover it again for about 30 more seconds. Now when all the liquid is gone from the eggs, we're going to go ahead, flip this over. Now we're going to go ahead and throw in whatever meat and cheese we want. So I got some cheese and some meat. Then we're going to fold this up. Doesn't have to be perfect. Fold this side up. One little side just wants to be tricky on me. And then we just fold it over. And yeah, our egg's sticking out a bit, but that's okay. Let me get it on a plate and show the final product. And here's our final product. Took only a few minutes, 2-3 minutes. And a nice, easy sandwich. We'll go ahead and cut it in half. And there we go. Simple and easy breakfast sandwich in a couple minutes in one pan at home. Have any questions, let me know. This is Earthling Cooks. We'll see y'all later.